Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. I have brought today a very interesting question, and the question which we are having that is a sum of money is divided among 160 males. So this is the number of males, and some females which is unknown. We don't know the number of females in the ratio that is 16:21. So this ratio is the sum of the amount. So 16 is the ratio, the amount of the ratio given to male, and 21 is the ratio of the amount given to female. Individually, each male gets ₹4 and a female gets ₹3. The number of female is, so here we don't know the number of females and we have to find out the number of female. So here we take that is, let the number of female be that is X. So we have just taken the number of females that is X. So here to find out the number of the female, so we take here, we are having the number of the male and their total amount. So what will be the total amount of male? So this is 160 and each one will get 4. So it means that if we multiply it by 4, we will get the total number of rupees for the male. So this will be the male's share. Each individual, it means that 160 males are there and everyone is getting ₹4. And this is in the ratio that is 16. So these are the now the amounts, the ratios for the amounts. And here we have just taken the number of females we don't know. So X. So this is the number of female which we have to find out, and each female will get ₹3 individually. So 3 is multiplied by the total number of female, and this is in the ratio. So this is the ratio for the sum of their amount. So now we have got this formula, and it is a very important for you to understand this question. And now if we cross multiply it, we will be able to find out the value of X. So this becomes that is 21 multiplied by 160 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16 multiplied by 3x. So this is 3x and it goes upward and it multiplies by 16. So here we get, if we multiply 21 multiplied by 160 multiplied by 4, we get here the answer that is 13,440. So this is the multiplication of all these three is equal to, so 16 multiplied by 3, that is 48, and this is X, 48X. So this X is the number of female we have to find. So this becomes that is X is equal to 13,440 divided by 48. So how much we will get? So this becomes that is 48 ones are and 48 280. So here the number of females, that is X, we have just taken, let the number of female be that is X, and this becomes that is, we have found out that is 280 females, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood the question and the method, but don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you very much.